inner awakening starts, never ends. How many of you really cognize it only starts, never ends? Now it is living, you understand? I gave an introduction to a lifestyle to you. Listen, I am not just transforming you, I am giving you the introduction for a new lifestyle. So now life starts. Now only life starts for many people. How many feel really, I feel life is starting? I'll clap for you guys. Now I have to announce with integrity and authenticity. I'll be bulldozing into your being and unclutching you. Understand? It's literally my job. I only wanted a yes from all of you. If you have a no, you can raise your hand. Other than you, everybody is okay? Yes? It is literally, I am going to pour my energy into you. And unclutch means purifying your biomemory. You will become just that 4 principles, 4 tattvas. Integrity and authenticity, responsibility and enriching. You see, I never struggled to live this higher life. It happens casually. So the same thing is going to happen to your biomemory now. Without any struggle, very casually you will be able to live these 4 principles. So many of your inauthenticities, which still you considered as part of you, will be just demolished. So it is literally you having new you. It is done with a lot of energy. That is the reason I took your yes first. But I also, with integrity and authenticity and responsibility and enriching, I commit with you guys and I declare it will do only good to you. No wrong can happen to you by this. It will only do good to you. That I promise and commit. I will be guiding you. You will keep the Dhruva grass inch by inch, each part of the body. Just with integrity and authenticity, responsibility, declare you are unclutching from that part. Means now that part of the body will be used only by these 4 principles. Integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching. Clear? Now the cosmos uses my hand. Now the cosmos uses my brain. Now the cosmos uses my heart. See, cosmos only you call as God, soul, cosmos, consciousness, enlightenment, whatever name you give. Jesus, Krishna, Shiva, Buddha, Rama, all the names are just the cosmos. So now, the real surrender to the cosmos happens officially. So that cosmos starts expressing itself, fulfilling itself through you. And now everything you declare, simply cosmos will listen because you are initiated. You are officially coronated as Brahmanyam Bahuputratam. Chosen ones, favorite ones. With this initiation, the new beginning of the inner space and consciousness starts. Please close your eyes. tie the ribbon. Take the Dhruva grass, the whole in your hand. Take the Dhruva grass, touch the crown of your head, Sahasrara. Namah Shivaya. Complete with everything. Be a clearance for completion. With integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching from the authority of an incarnation, I grace you all who want to be initiated as clearance for completion, Purnatva. Let you all have integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching as the Satyas, life principles. With integrity and authenticity, you declare you are unclutching from the brain. Let these principles be awakened in the brain. Let your cognition become the principle. Namah Shivaya. Dhruva grass and touch your back, the root of the spine. The root of the spine, Muladhara chakra, root center. With integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching, Mahakala, Kala Bhairava, awakens your Kundalini. Namah Shivaya. Let you all experience intense Kundalini awakening. Let your bioenergy be awakened. Namah Shivaya. And keep it on your navel. Manipura chakra. And from the navel, let your Manipuraga function with integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching. Namah Shivaya. Neck, back side of the neck. Unclutch from the back neck. Let your Vishuddhi chakra function intensely with integrity, authenticity and enriching. Namah Shivaya. And unclutch with integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching. Let your knees function with pure dharma, Kundalini energy. Namah Shivaya. The Dhruva grass. Namah Shivaya. Let your feet be enriched with integrity, authenticity, responsibility and the cosmic energy. Kundalini Shakti. Namah Shivaya. Put it on the crown center, on the top of your head. Let your unconscious, subconscious, body, mind, everything be in tune with the cosmos. Let the name, form, everything merge with the cosmos. Let you be embodiment of integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching. Namah Shivaya. Your whole being and surrender. Drop the Dhruva grass in the plate in front of you. Let the cosmic energy intensely be activated, alive, express itself through all our bodies. Namah Shivaya.